This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Well, yeah, go back. Yeah, still go up. Yeah, go up. Okay. So now we're coming to the execute test cases, right? In the title. So everything is done. So now execute test, what does it mean? Developer develop. Then the DevOps engineer deployed in the testing environment. Now is ready for me. I want to test it. So in the test case, in these tools, you will come to the run for web application and you will start the execute test cases. Scroll down, 1, 2, 3, scroll down. So look at this. The test steps you have written, all the test steps you can execute. Multiple way. You can execute step by step and you can say pass or fail, or you can execute all on the website and you can just say all pass. Any of the approach you do, that's fine. After this, you save and close. All the test step pass. Out of there is a 20 test steps, 19 pass, 1 fail. Simple. Any of the step fail, test cases fail. All the steps pass, test cases pass. That's the true definition. Simple. And after the test case fail, what do you do now? Well, you are going to the bug. Now you have to create the bug. Before you create a bug, so now you have to understand, do I understand the requirements? Did I really read the requirements? Because creating a bug can be a big deal, can be making you the superhero, or can be making you a bad guy. Bad guy how? Because you do not understand the requirement, you just create the bug. Nobody understands your shit, what you are doing, basically, right? But when you understand the requirements, you create a bug, you will be the best guy. People will be respecting you. People will be value your observation, your testing, everything. When you do something right, the right people will be recognizing you. But if you do something wrong over and over, you will get caught. So make sure you know when you create a bug, make sure you understand the requirements very well, ins and outs, multiple times. Also, before you create a bug, you need to make sure you test in the different browser, your different computer, different the configuration, right? And on here, right, on your phone. Multiple times you do it before you create a bug. It is very important and very fundamental things the QA make a mistake. Once you're done, you save and close, and it will be reported properly. You tested.